Watch out, man. I'm showing you something, man. A facts me attack. And most females can relate to me, I say. Yo, bro, I'm showing you this, man. Somehow we have some genuine woman in our life. Somehow we have some woman in our life where them are turned down some opportunity discreetly. And we didn't even know. All because them rate we as them man. You get me, I say? You have some man that come at them with money, with cars, I promise them assets. If them start a relationship with them. And them literally turn them down all because them love you. See? And then at the end of the day, bro, we turn around and hurt them. Them now start live with regrets because what? Them turn down so many offers just to make the relationship work with you. And you end up hurt them. See? Them think they hurt them to them heart, make them not want to love again. You understand? Because them turn down so many things just because them love you. And then we end up hurt them. So brother, when you have a good woman, bro, take care of her, appreciate her. So by the time you might not know what's going on, but a whole heap of things are going on, a whole heap of offer she get, and she turn that down because she love you. Or when you don't have no money, you're broke, you can't help her with certain things. She still stick around because she love you for you. See? So yo bro, stop letting them have regrets, dog. Straight.